Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow that triggers when a new spreadsheet row is created in Google Sheets and automates the creation of a detailed event in Google Calendar. Okay, let's build a workflow. So here we are at the Workload editor, and I'm going to give my workflow a title. So this is going to be Google Sheets to Calendar. And I'm going to click inside the trigger box, and I'm going to select the app of Google Sheets. And the event is going to be new spreadsheet row. So whenever I add a new row to a specific spreadsheet, that's going to initiate this workflow. I'll click continue, sign into my Google account. The spreadsheet that I want to be monitoring is my events spreadsheet. And that's going to be just sheet 1. Click continue. And I'm going to test this trigger. So we have a new row that has been created in our Google Sheet. So we can click continue to use that data to set up our workflow. And the action is going to be in calendar. And the action event is going to be create detailed event. Click continue. Again, make sure I'm connected to my Google account. So the title of the event, I'm going to click inside the box and I'm going to import that information from my trigger. So by the Batmobile, the description, don't reveal your secret identity, the location, Lions Auto Sales, the start time is here, the end time is here. I want this to show up as blueberry colored on my calendar. So all of these events that get added to the calendar from this spreadsheet will all be that same blue color. I'm not going to automatically add any attendees or visibility. I'm going to have to choose which calendar I want to place the event on. So this will be on my test calendar. So I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to test this action. And we had a successful response. So I can click continue. I can go to my Google Calendar and look at the test calendar. And I believe that event was in May. Here it is. The blueberry colored by the Batmobile has the location, has the description, and the start date and time. So we have a successful workflow. I can jump back to the workload editor and I can activate my workflow. And now every time I add a new row to that specific spreadsheet, it's going to create an event on my test calendar. That's how you can build a workflow that automatically creates a detailed event in Google Calendar whenever a spreadsheet row is added in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe to this video in order to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly, and I'll see you next time.